everybody, this is Tara from Koala Productions, and this is my Sealife Folio. And you can see we've got tags and pockets and note cards, and of course in the digital file there's also 3 background papers that you can print onto the back side. And of course with all the folios, the first thing we're going to do is to cut them out. We're going to start here with our Seahorse. Now, as I'm cutting out, I'll just remind you that this kit is available for download on my Ko-Fi shop and in my Etsy shop. And there's also a bunch of other different folios too, so you may find something you enjoy. Of course, you can always do the edges with a stamp or a marker, but you can also leave them bare. Anyway, here's all the pieces. We got the tags and pockets and all of the little ephemera pieces. And what we're going to do is first take the base and we're going to score and fold along these lines here. One of the reasons we like to score along the back is it actually breaks the fibers of the paper so that it makes a cleaner fold when you're, folding and scoring. Anyway, we're going to do this also with the 2 little clamshells. And these I just thought were fun. You can just write on the inside of them. Alright, and the tags, if you like, you can go ahead and punch holes and go ahead and I just use like a baker twine on mine, and I also use some of the little mini shells to add as decoration. Alright, the pockets, so one's going to go on the outside, and then we've got 3 that are going to go on the inside here. And they're pretty self-explanatory. They're each sort of sized to fit right in their spot. And then the pocket you can either do as a tuck or, as I'm doing here, just gluing it so that it is a pocket. And we're going to just weigh everything down so that it dries. Alright, now you can use a little scrap piece of paper and do a little clip cover if you'd like. You can just fold it as I did, put a little bit of glue on the underside, tuck it back onto the paper clip, and just weigh it down really well. I thought it would be cute to have a little tag on the top, so when it was all dry I went ahead and just trimmed the edges, and as you can see it works nicely. Alright, so everything is dry now, so I'm going to go ahead and populate it. And here is the finished portfolio. I just put some baker twine around it to keep it. I've got all of my little notes tucked in the side, and you can just see all of the little tags and note cards and ephemera that are in here. This is a really fun portfolio. I love the sea colors. Again, if you want to go ahead and get your own, it's on my Ko-Fi shop or in my Etsy shop. I have lots of others there. I've got mushrooms and owls and hearts and whatnot, but this I love the nautical look. Alright, well I appreciate you being here, and thank you. Bye-bye!